Hi again. I'm going to show you how to order your lab kit from Escience. So that URL is just www.esciencelabs.com. And then let me move my head. There we go. All right. And then you'll have to create an account. But once you do create an account, then you're going to log in and you're going to go to where it says have a code and you're going to enter kit 1311 and then submit. Now it is in your cart and you may order it with a credit card. And you can see up here, the top right corner, that the total cost for the lab kit is $169. Um, this seems like a lot, but for a science class, um, you can actually get away with this being your total cost for this course, which is really good for a science class, especially a science class that includes a lab. So you could potentially pay $0 for your textbook and $169 for your lab kit. And that $169 would actually be your only cost, out of pocket cost. So this lab kit is also available. The kits are in our campus bookstore. It's going to cost more than this, but um, you may go ahead and get the kit yourself and pick it up if you would like. Um, but anyway, this is pretty simple ordering process. Um, so you do need to go ahead and order this lab kit. Um, or you're gonna end up being late on your turning in your first lab assignment. So make sure, especially if you're watching this and this is the first day of class, you really need to order it like right now, if possible. So let me know if you have any questions.